Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be making German potato salads. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm trying to play with the camera angles just a little bit. Keep things interesting. Got bacon going, got some broth cooking. I couldn't think of any other protein, so I went with broth. Potatoes are cooking. These are going to go in the oven as soon as the oven's hot, and I flip them over. And I got some broccoli already, steamer's already going, so we're off to a good start. Bacon is crisping up nicely. I did forget an ingredient. I just looked it up and it called for parsley, and I realized, crap, forgot to buy parsley. But, oh well. And I didn't have any dried parsley either, so that bacon is really close to being done. Alright, so the directions said not to, it said to definitely use the bacon dripping, so that's what we're going to do. I want to make sure I don't waste any of this bacony goodness. Set that aside. That should be good to go. Now I killed the heat because I'm waiting, basically I'm waiting for the potatoes. So take a look at these spuds real fast. It actually feel too hard, but I'll just double check. Yeah, they're too hard. So, as clean as you go. Alright, check these potatoes. I just checked them a moment ago and they were really close. So, grab up the big one here. And they're poking through. I'm going to call that because they're going to cook a little bit in the pan too, so alright, I'm going to turn this back on while I drain these, pour them into a colander. Now what they recipe I looked up said pour a little vinegar in there, so this is apple cider vinegar. It also calls for onion, but I don't put the vile weed in anything I cook, so. And I also forgot the parsley flakes, which is my bad. And then of course I'm going to season these with the usual suspects. Slap your mama. Yeah. Add a little garlic. is just garlic powder, because I like garlic powder, and salt. Man, that vinegar is really hitting me. I might have poured a little too much in. I guess we'll find out. Go ahead and re-add the bacon. All right. Add some white pepper. So much calling those done. Parsley would have been nice, but I don't have any. So I'm just waiting now on the brats and also the broccoli. Check on that protein. Well, they should look good, because I always temp everything I... Oh yeah, they're done. Well, that one was done. Oh yeah. These are done. You know, you don't want to eat any pork product that can make you sick. So let's get this guy dished up. Yeah, I know I'm using brats again, but couldn't think of anything else that was very creative. Well, it's not traditional, but probably because I'm a little bit of a psycho. I mean, I add a little Parmesan cheese to my spuds. I actually think it tastes pretty good. Oh. Now I'm just waiting on veggies. All right, should be done any minute. Hi, Jackie Blanchard asked me about my steamer here, and I bought this at Target a long time ago. It was probably 20 plus years. I've had it a long time. So I always try to include some kind of vegetable with my meal, because, you know, why not? Veggies are good. Alright, so here's a little close-up of the meal. Got the German potato salad, steamed broccoli with butter and pepper, and then smoked brats, or oven-baked brats. Go right to the potatoes. Wow. So you might have noticed the table with the two stools that I'm sitting on. Well, my work backpack's on the other one, but I literally just picked this up last night. I got rid of my other table because it seated 6. It was just way too much for one person. So I got rid of it. I should give it away. I figured I got it for free. So I just gave it away for free. So, I'll tell you what, these potatoes are pretty good. But man, I think I got just a little too much vinegar. They're still good though. They're like a vinegary, bacony, a little seasoning on there, a little salt, pepper. I just forgot the parsley. But I'll say this, that's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I was trying out some different camera angles this time. And also the addition of eating at the table versus standing in the kitchen. Plus I have a new place to sit. I have a new place to sit down. Unlike the last year's holiday meal when I slid off the table. You remember that? Tragic. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist. It's also gonna be on the end card along with last week's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.